What is it?
My new lens. My lens that was expensive as freaking hell.
What's it for?
Car photography.
For what camera?
My Nikon Z6.
Jeez.
Here's the lens.
Holy crap. So how far can that zoom in?
70 to 200 millimeter.
You just got this huge thing, and I just got spacers. Your camera's so small with nothing on it.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, now you need a tripod.
Well, it has its own tripod now.
Exactly. Spacers are here. So I'm about to use the car jack that it comes with. Jack this puppy up, take these wheels off, put the spacers on. Make the gapping like right on the line of the fender so that there's no gap in between at all right now. Putting the spacers on. We've got one done, thanks to the help of our buddy Mike. Got one spacer on, so right now the car's lifted. Obviously it's a lot less gap than that, but as you can see, we got 1-inch spacers. Now it sits really flush. Once it lowers down, it doesn't sit out that far, but on this side, it's crazy. Gets rid of that, so. Oh, she looks spicy now. Whew. All right. How's it going, everybody? The first half of this video is nothing but just random clips from yesterday. Sarah and I put in spacers on the car, and I took a couple pictures and I think one video of me replacing the me replacing the side markers, so now they're black. But so today I got some new polishing wheels. This one's like a cutting component wheel, and then this one's a polishing wheel. A ton of rags and just random stuff. Some black component polish. And I went over to the garage and got an extension cord and my polish gun. So I'm going to replace this old wheel that's dirty, put on a new wheel, and touch up the back of the G. So this is what I'm talking about. The top, all the clear coat's coming off, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to actually test it on the back. So the back's coming off, and then also this could use a polishing too. So I'm just going to work on the back. I'm going to wipe it all down and then see what I can do, if I can remove all this and then take this polishing compound out. Threw the bottle that I actually needed on the ground. I thought that was gonna be like a paste or like a putty or something, like the last stuff that I got. All right, so I guess you're supposed to rub this stuff on. And then it's supposed to take it off or something. It's like a chalk or something. You're supposed to like rub it on. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do, but that's what I just read. It always looked like didn't do anything of what I was expecting it to do. Alright, and just like that, we're back. I had to run up to the store. I ended up getting Meguiar's Scratch X and Meguiar's Quick Wax because the stuff that I got before was not what I was expecting was at all. Try to get some of this stuff off. Whoops. Actually, no, we can put it on this way. Start that way. See how that works. Got my work dickies on, so I'm not worried about that. Wow, that's hot. That's real hot. It's definitely working, but not really. So this is what it looks like now. Like, obviously, it does look better. Whoa. It does look better compared to up here. I'll definitely give this a whirl now too. Alright, it's getting there. It's still not really working the way that I was hoping it to. It is getting a lot of the stuff off, but it's not at the same time. And I watched a couple of YouTube videos and like, obviously people down in the comments will, you know, help me out. But the cool thing is that this is my Sara and I's project car, so like we know eventually it's going to get repainted at some point, but in the meantime, you know, I'm trying to just get rid of all this crap, and it's almost easier with me just using my fingers. Actually, before I put everything away, I'm gonna try to do this. really quick just to see what I can do. Bro, I pretty much got rid of all of that. I don't want to get carried away, but that just got all done, and that looks amazing. You know, I say I don't want to get carried away, but eventually I'm going to get new headlights as well, so not really worried about it. So look at that now, and that's what it was before. Wow. Wow. Look at the difference. That's insane. That's absolutely insane, dude. How clear that is. Alright, I'm gonna stop there though. I don't want to keep doing random stuff and then end up actually hurting the car. But I'll tell you what, Sarah's gonna be happy with just a little bit that's changed. I mean, just a little that I've done that's changed a ton. I mean, this looks a lot better. You can tell a huge difference. So this is the side that I didn't actually touch. And then that's, like, this still looks bad, but over there looks a lot better as well. But it's coming along. The main thing isn't really the whole like buying or like doing stuff to the car. It's more of a recovering financially after buying such an expensive thing. And no, we didn't you know, go through all our money buying this car. Well, I did. So I'm recovering. I gotta, you know, obviously bills and stuff comes first, and then once all that is taken care of and I get a nice cloud, nice cushion of change back, and then we'll continue to buy parts and stuff for this car. The one cool thing is that we just found out that our catback exhaust that was supposed to take like 2 to 3 weeks to come in actually is arriving tomorrow. So installing that is going to be fun.